got something in the mail. I got something in the mail. What is it? You'll find out in just a second. How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having the most wonderful day as always. Thank each and every one of you for coming to the channel and stopping by, taking the time out of your busy day to watch my crazy videos. But today, got something in the well, actually I got it yesterday in the mail, but I was busy waxing the car, so I didn't have time to actually open it. But this is a package from a very, very good channel supporter. He's been following me for quite a while now, and he decided to send me something because I returned the favor to him of watching his channels, which is not a quid pro quo thing. It's I like his content, I like him as a person, and I really enjoy watching his channel. I like watching him, especially when he puts his kids in. But with some of the people out there nowadays, you can't always do that. So, but with all that said, he sent me a package as a thank you. So let's get it open. Now I already know what it is because I watched the video where he said he was sending it. He's sending it to me and several other people. So let's see if I can go ahead and get it open. And I'm not going to show you the address for privacy purposes, but I am going to make sure I mush it all down to that end so that I can cut it open and not cut anything important, especially my fingers. We got it open. Yep, that's exactly what he said he was sending. And what is it, you might ask? Make sure it's not all that's in there. Yep, that's it. Thank you very much. A t-shirt, yes, a nicely folded t-shirt. Thank you very much. But as you saw in the title of the video, you know who it's from. DSW Joyride Productions. Yeah. Now if you don't know who he is, please go check out his channel. He's got really good content. He's doing a lot of things right now. He's going to school so he could try to get a better job, which all of us should be doing. You know, if we're not happy with what we have, try to better ourselves. But he's got a Challenger that he's working on. He's trying to learn how to do detailing and everything. He's going to be doing some follow-along videos on that so that you too can learn. But yes, DSW Joyride Productions is on the front, and then on the back he has his Mopar Mafia logo, because he's one of those Mopar guys. You know how they are. Just kidding. They're all great bunch of guys. I actually have several of the Mopar guys follow me, and I really appreciate that support. But yes, this is what makes YouTube so great. You meet great people. You also meet some loonies out there, but that's a whole different video, isn't it? Because I'm one of them. But you meet a lot of great people. You know, you converse back and forth. They send you stuff, you send them stuff. You actually get involved in how their family's doing, what they're doing at this time, what they're doing at that time. It's like talking to your neighbor down the street, only further down the road, if that makes any sense. But I just wanted to put this out there. DSW Joyride Dan, I really appreciate it, and family. I appreciate the shirt. I will wear it in pride. I will show my Mopar support. But yeah, be another great shirt to wear around the house and going off and to the car shows. So be on the lookout in the videos for the shirt. I'm sure you'll see it in other videos and everything, if these gnats don't kill me first. And you guys get out there and enjoy your day, enjoy your car. If you got a channel, reach out, network. You too will start getting some cool items like this. Dan, family, I really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. And until the next video, you know what to say. Get out there and enjoy them cars. We'll see you in the next one.